Hello everyone, let's see how we can manage the movement of the products from one place to the another in a transfer menu available in a Seedor inventory module. Using Seedor, you can register internal transfer and manage operations in a systematic manner. You will able to get access to the transfer window from the operation menu in the module. So for that, let's get into the module named inventory. Here you can see the inventory module. This is the overview of an inventory. So to make a transfer, we need to go to the operations. Under that you can see the transfer. When you enter into the platform, you will get the detailed view of the records of all the transfer done in the company easier. You can change the view into an company view as well as the list view as per your convenience. So here you can see the company view and the list view. Not only these two lists, we have a calendar view also. You can change the view into the company view as I have said before. The advanced sorting option is also there, such as filter and the group by option. This that our Seedor will help you to for the easy searching process. For that we have a filter and a group by options. You can locate and categorize the data regarding transfer using default customizable filter and group by options. The preview of the list view will give you all the details about the reference from, to, contacts and the responsible person, the scheduled date and some of that source document, if any, it will show the source document and the status of it. You can add more and more options. That's like here you can see and settings option. By here we need to enable it. By enabling this, we can see those lists in here. So if you need, you can enable. If you don't need, you can also hide that option also. To create a new transfer, you are allowed to use the create icon which is here. You can specify the contacts here. In the first line, you need to specify the contacts and then you need to specify the operations, like whether it is an internal transfer, we need to select the internal transfer as an operations. And then we need to specify the source location, destination location. If any barcodes needed to transfer this operation, you need to specify the barcode here. And the branch, source document, link, that is we can specify the picking style also. This is basically an report, we can make use of it. To add a product, we need to add a line here. So once we click on the add a line, it will show the list. So we need to click on the products to select the product which is already created. So we need to again click on the mobile. So I am going to transfer the product mobile. So before transferring, we can check where the location is, actual location of that goods. So for that, here we can see the on hand quantity is 20. So here we can see that in the primary location we have an 18 quantity and in sub location there is an 2 quantity. So let me transfer again 2 from that primary location to the sub location. So let's see how we can do that. So I'm going back to the transfer. Again opening or creating a new one. Here, as I said before, we need to mention the transfer location, from location and to location. The to location is sub location. Okay. So I need to transfer the product name mobile. Here we can see a mobile. So I'm going to demand 2. So we need to transfer 2 quantities to this destination location. So at the time of transfer, you can check the quality of the goods by using an inspection which is here. So by using that, you can check the quality of that goods or a products. So for transfer, we need to, at first we need to save that. And after saving, you can see an option called mark as to do. So once we click on that, it will show and check availability of the product. We need to check the availability. If you need, you can add that product in a pack also. Now I'm going to check the availability, whether it is available in that source location or not. Here you can see the reserved. In reserved there is a 2. So it is available now. So now I am going to validate it. So for validating, it will show the pop-up like whether you need to add that product in that goods, that is in that appropriate location which we have mentioned here. So if you need, you can click on the apply. If you cancel for any other reason, you can just cancel option. And we have other options like we can print it out and we can unreserved it. If you need to add this product in a scrap after checking the inspection, so you can make that product in a scrap. Here you can see and scrap option, and then you can split it also. So from here we can split that out. So for one quantity needs to be go to the other location, you can make use of that. And if you need to cancel it, you can better use the cancel option here. So I'm going to validate it, and then I'm going to apply this one. So once everything is done, this particular quantity is added in the sublocation. So let me check that. Now we need to go to the more products. In product, we need to go to the on-hand quantity. The on-hand quantity is still 20. So now we can clearly see that in the sublocation, the quantity is increased by 4. So in this way, we can make a transfer between the locations. Thank you.